Welcome back. I'm Dr. J, sitting in for Killer on the CMZ today. It's Cash Money Zone. Here's what's going on in the markets, folks. We've got a big sell-off in the precious metals. So since we're here at the world's busiest futures exchange, the CME Group, we're talking a little bit about futures to start it off. So gold, silver, just smacked. Gold was down as much as $40 today. Took it all the way down into the 1320s thereabout today. In other words, very severe sell-off. Gold, in fact, not falling as far or fast percentage-wise as silver. Silver is now down, I believe, over 6% just in 2011. Both these commodities under heavy pressure. Some of that coming from the tightening that went on in China. Some of it coming because, quite frankly, when you do have a group, whether it's an individual stock or precious metals, that runs as severely as this particular group did in 2010, well, you have a lot of folks that wait a little too long to take those profits off the table. If they waited more than a day or so into 2011, they waited too long, because instead of being at $14.30 for gold or $14.40, they're getting out about $100, $110 less than that. Ouch. Same thing with silver. Commodities softening as well, and I just spoke about on CNBC the shippers, in particular Eagle, EGLE, and GNK. Those two alone just being walloped again today. And this is a several day segment. I mean, several day movement. Take a look at what was going on in dry ships, DrYS as well. All of these hit hard. Some of that, of course, coming from the commodity and a little of the bloom off the rose, apparently. Now, for those of you who absolutely love when we give a plug to why we're broadcasting here, take a look at our Invest Like a Monster conference down in Orlando. Like I say, I can tell by the comments, folks, that you guys love it when we tell you about what we're selling. What we're selling is a 2-day conference down there for $199. Going to be a great couple days. That is March 18th and 19th in Orlando. Why not get out of the snow? If you're somebody down in the southeast, why not just drive on over? A lot of cheap hotel rooms and very nice hotel rooms in Orlando. Come on over and see us at the Peabody. It's going to be a great conference. Again, the 18th and 19th of March, that's Friday and Saturday. You can go to investlikeamonster.com and see all about it. Now, back to some activity, unusual activity. JW Nordstrom, JWN, the symbol. And we talked about it on Fast Money just moments ago. And here's what it was, folks. More or less, a newsletter writer, Stansberry, tip of the hat to them, because they execute through Trade Monster, knock on wood. A lot of those trades they refer in for auto trading into Trade Monster, our sister company. Well, Stansberry put out a call about buying puts in JWN at the 41 strike price. Take a look at it. You'll see out of nowhere 10,000 of them trade. Not in one block, not big institutional paper, but rather that steady bang, bang, bang that you see when you have a newsletter call like Stansberry, which usually, I'm not saying they're wrong, but it's usually short-term very right, because their timing is good. But what I'm saying is I will take profits very quickly on such a trade, because it's not a big institutional trade where I might have more time that the institution is projecting lower prices over a prolonged period of time. Another one to take a look at, Walmart. Why? Because gasoline prices are going to be coming down. I predict crude oil is down substantially from the 92s all the way down into the mid-80s now. That's going to be good for all of us at the pump. Who feels it the most? The people that shop at Walmart. So watch for Walmart. We're seeing unusual buying of calls in Walmart. More than 31,000 trading at the March 60 strike. So be aware of this. In Walmart, they're not buying the front month February. They think, because it does take a little time to get this through the system, in other words, the refiners to take crude oil, turn it into gasoline and diesel, that, like I say, I think will be coming down in price after trading $3.11 this week. I think we get back down through $3. That's great news for Walmart shoppers, and I believe it's why we're seeing such heavy volume in Walmart calls today. I'm Dr. J from TradeMonster.com. Before you commit your cash to any trade, make sure you understand the risks. Please join us or Killer or any of the other talented folks that broadcast for the CMZ back here tomorrow. I'm Dr. J from TradeMonster.com.